What's going on, guys? Finally got what we needed. Been waiting for this thing for like, I ordered it 9 days ago and finally got it. There was a storm, some crazy freaking snowstorm, and we've been waiting on the ceramic coating, so it's finally here. So let's get to it. Need to clean up the wheels and then we can get them ceramic coated. Alright, got the graphene kit. Rodney was adamant about me showing you guys this stuff. Supposedly 7-year protection. Is that correct, sir?
True. A 10-inch hardness.
It comes with all the towels. He's got his own kit that he ordered, and his came with a UV light. I didn't opt in for the UV light because I don't need one.
I have two anyway.
What is this? This is some sort of microfiber type thing.
Suede.
And then suede, and then it comes with the applicators, as well as all the stuff that's needed. Surface prep. And ceramic boost. And then we got the actual coating right here. And then it comes with the little caps and gloves and all that stuff. So first thing we're gonna do is clean the wheels up as well as clean the tires. All right, first thing we're gonna do is clean the tires with this stuff. This stuff is pretty good. I already used it, well, he used it on these tires, but I'm gonna show you live how it works. But it basically does not leave any residue. I'm not a fan of the whole shiny, oily, freaking stuff that goes on the tire cleaner. I'm not a fan of that. I just like a clean tire. So this looks pretty good overall. Alright, just to show you guys the differences. This is the one that's already been cleaned. Looks really nice, and then this is not. These are brand new tires, by the way. You see all that gunk and all that nasty stuff. This spray works really good and gets all that stuff off, and it gives you that nice clean rubber shine. So, pretty excited about it. Alright guys, just clean the wheels. And it's time to do the thing I've been dreading the most, which is putting the decals on. So let's pray that these get put on correctly, but here they are. And they go in a specific order. They go where the made in Japan goes. So one goes over here and then another one goes over here. The CE28s goes down here. So I'll put you on the tripod and show you how it's done. Alright guys, it is
11:46.
11:46 and we just got done. This was a pain in the ass. But the wheels are all done. Now I just got a cure. So I'll be back in 24 hours. I'll be back before then, but in 24 hours we can go ahead and install them, but they look pretty good overall. Everything looks fine. And I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like with the UV light. Alright guys, here's what it's supposed to look like. See all that blue? Even blue, that is.
And show them what you did.
This one was done by Rodney, aka Mr. Adam. But yeah, he did a good job. I appreciate it.
Show them what it could look like.
Nah, man, we good. It looks good. It doesn't. It's
well,
not
just
bad,
so
man.
people understand what it looks like.
It's not bad, actually. In the camera, this one looks better.
Debatable.
I don't know, man.
Showing the spot up top, though.
What spot? I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, with that blue, which you can't see in real light, but that's what it's supposed to look like. That means it is coated. If it's pretty much like a blue, it looks like an avatar blue.
Yeah, UV tracer, just so you know you're not missing anything.
All right, guys, got all the wheels and tires back home, and I'm gonna put some air in them and basically get them ready to get installed. Today is a cold, freezing morning, so this should be fun. All right, guys, before we get these beauties on the Evo, I think one thing we all want to know is how much weight am I saving with this wheel and tire setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and weigh the old set, and then for shits and giggles, I'm gonna go ahead and weigh the drag set as well. So let's get these on scale. There it is, guys. First view of the car with the new wheels. I feel so overwhelmed right now, man, honestly. I really do. I had to take a moment and kind of reflect back and see. Man. But it feels weird because I honestly feel like these wheels are supposed to be on this car. So I've envisioned this for so long that it basically just feels like I've had them, but I haven't, obviously. It's so weird. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's a very surreal feeling. But they're on there. And the tires are definitely wider. And then one last thing that I need to do is I need to figure out if I'm going to be using. So here I have new Ray's valve stem caps that I bought. I'm not sure if I want to stay with the red ones or not, but as we're back, and I actually decided to keep the red valve stem caps. But it's been a few days, actually almost a week since I've done the install, and I am still beyond pleased with everything. One thing that I noticed is after I drove the car, the rear wheels tucked in quite a bit on their own. I still haven't done an alignment. I got that planned for this week, but it tucks in pretty nice. So other than the rear down here, everything else looks great, especially the lip on these things. I love them. Not sure if you guys can get a good view, but like just at the right angle, it just, that lip just pops. I love it. Like I told you guys before, it's very rare to find a wheel that can clear the calipers and still has a lip and it's still somewhat aggressive. So this setup is just perfect. So yeah, the only negative thing towards this is obviously with these being the SLs, I can't run center caps. And unfortunately, this is exposed now. So I'm actually gonna pull the wheels off here probably tomorrow and clean up the wheel bearings a little bit. Hopefully I can get them to a decent condition because these don't look too bad. That front one's probably the worst. And then we ended up replacing the wheel bearing on this side a few months ago, and this one looks obviously brand new, so shouldn't have to touch that one. But overall, I'm pleased. One thing I will say is the car feels way more agile, and like I get it, like it's kind of difficult, you know, like a butt dyno kind of thing. It's kind of difficult to like really put that into perspective, but so we shaved about 5 pounds off from our last setup, and not to mention we got these way stickier, better tires, so less weight, rotational mass that is, which is huge, plus more grip. This car just wants to go. It's crazy. I can't even explain it because it's one of those things, like I kind of experienced it with the blow-off valve. I didn't realize the stock diverter valve leaked so much until I got that tile and I realized what I was basically missing. And it's like night and day difference. But other than that, guys, stick around for some more content. I owe you guys a few more videos. I'm gonna go ahead and do a video on all the performance stuff that's done to this car, so stay tuned for that. I still owe you a POV drive video as well. And then we gotta do the interior, of course, and then eventually hit the track once the weather gets nice. So got a lot more content coming, so stay tuned and peace. I'm out.